Hello, welcome to my Milan. Let me take you where the city truly lives. Cafes I love, streets I wander, and little corners only locals know. People see Milan for the fashion and the Duomo, but I'll show you the Milan I wake up to every morning. Follow me through the streets I call home, taste the food I really eat, and discover Milan like a local, not a tourist. This is my city, my rhythm, my Milan. Come see the hidden spots that make it feel alive. I wake up to the gentle sound of a city coming to life, a sound that feels like home. I live here, and I know its secrets. I know its rhythms, and most importantly, its flavors. Today, I share a little piece of my heart with you. A plan for one perfect, fast and fun day. This isn't a checklist, it's walkable streets, incredible food and small unforgettable moments. We will stroll, see beautiful things, and oh, we will eat so well. This is my Milan. Welcome. A day for your senses. Forget complicated maps and packed schedules. Follow our noses to the best coffee, our eyes to stunning architecture. Let's begin. Our day begins the way every Milanese day should, at a local bar. When I say bar, I mean a coffee shop, the heart of our morning. Find one with a shiny machine and locals at the counter. Order a cappuccino, but only in the morning. And a warm cornetto, maybe with cream or jam. Pay first at the register, then give it to the barista. A quick, energetic start with the aroma of roasted coffee. From here, the Duomo is a short walk. In morning light, the marble glows. Thousands of statues and spires reaching for the sky. Before crowds, stand and breathe its grandeur. Buy terrace tickets online, elevator or stairs, your choice. Walk among the spires, unforgettable. On clear days, the Alps appear. Sometimes if I have a longer break, I walk by Santa Maria delle Grazie. It's quiet, beautiful, and home to one of Milan's greatest treasures, Leonardo da Vinci's The Last Supper. Every time I see it, I'm reminded how much history and genius live inside this city. It's not just fashion and business, it's art that survived centuries. Milan's trams are efficient and charming, like a postcard come to life. One ticket, 90 minutes, works on buses and the subway. Hop on for a few stops. Let the city roll by. Rest your feet before the next adventure, drifting from grand to intimate. Steps from the Duomo lies the magnificent Galleria, one of the world's oldest, most beautiful malls. Forget the brands, feel the atmosphere. Look up, this dome. Look down, the mosaics. Find the bull. Place your heel and spin 3 times. For luck. A light-hearted end to a magnificent morning. These are the moments that make a perfect day. Are you ready? Let's go. And here in the city center, I always drift past Teatro Alla Scala, our opera heart. Even from the street, it feels special. This piazza is where music, culture, and elegance meet. Listen closely. You can almost hear the echoes that shaped Italy's soul. A quiet pause, a deep breath, and then onward with the day. From La Scala, it's a graceful glide into the Quadrilatero della Moda. Via Monte Napoleone, Via della Spiga, Via Manzoni, Corso Venezia. This is the heartbeat of luxury. Prada, Gucci, Versace, Armani, and more. Window shopping is welcome. Study the craft. Razor-sharp tailoring, supple leather, refined storefront design. Step in respectfully. A simple buongiorno. Photos, limited inside boutiques. Best times, late morning, late afternoon. Duck into quieter side streets. Even without buying, enjoy textures, displays, and effortless people watching. Pause for an elegant espresso or a spritz. And then we drift toward Brera, where art and appetite await. As midday approaches, we wander into Brera. The energy changes here. Narrow streets, warm painted buildings. Brera is for artists, small galleries, and espresso under the sun. Find a deli. Order cured ham with fresh, creamy mozzarella. Simple, perfect, so Italian. Now, the market, Mercato di Via San Marco, open Monday and Thursday mornings, vibrant produce, huge wheels of parmesan, beautiful salumi displays, air of basil, ripe tomatoes, fresh bread, Pinacoteca di Brera. Don't see everything, choose 2 rooms. Study a masterpiece, perspective, light and shadow. Brera is a feeling, history, art, daily life. From Brera, we drift west. A breath of green opens ahead, Parco Sempione in the city's heart. Enter under the Arch of Peace or from the castle side. Tree-lined paths, soft gravel underfoot, joggers glide by, families laugh, ponds mirror the sky, Torre Branca peaks above the canopy. We arrive at Sforza Castle, red brick walls, crenellations and long shadows. The central fountain splashes and cools the air. Duke's fortifications, Napoleon layers of Milan in one fortress. Inside, quiet galleries and small wonders, tapestries, instruments, frescoes, and don't miss Michelangelo's unfinished Pietà Rondanini, raw, intimate, moving. Practical note, stroll the park, then the castle. Courtyards are free, museums need a ticket. Check hours. This lawn is perfect for a picnic or a quick panino on a bench. We step back into the light, shoulders lower, breath deeper. Refreshed, we move on. From red brick centuries to glass and steel, Milan shifts gears. Welcome to Porta Nuova, the city's future in clean lines and sky reflections. The Unicredit Tower lifts a silver spire into the blue mirrored faces, catching clouds and commuters below. Piazza Gai Aulenti curves like a ring. LED band, alive shallow fountains that dance as kids skip office shoes, splash past modern storefronts. Step onto the elevated footbridges, float above the traffic. Watch light ripple across facades. Then breathe green. Bosco Verticali. Balconies thick with trees, a vertical forest, proving beauty can be sustainable. At its feet, BAM, Biblioteca degli Alberi. Threads, lawns, paths, and wild textures. A park that frames the towers. Best time? Late afternoon into blue hourglass turns to ink lights, wake reflections double the skyline. Contrasted with the day's castles and canals. Milan holds both, effortlessly. Local tip, linger for an aperitivo with a view. A spritz, a skyline, a slow exhale, then we drift on. Afternoon takes us to Navigli, Leonardo's canals. The water flows, crooked, charming facades line your way. Studios, shops, little courtyards, bohemian and relaxed. Sit, watch, and breathe the golden hour. No stroll without gelato. Pistachio, dark chocolate, follow your heart. Good gelato is smooth and dense. Eat as you walk, truly Italian. Skip big brands, choose craftsmanship and stories. Find a souvenir that speaks to you. Late afternoon is special. Find the old Launders Alley, history in stone, a quiet spot most visitors miss. Here, the true soul of Milan waits to be discovered, and as the sun softens, Aperitivo calls. Aperitivo, the Milanese ritual. More than a drink, it's a way to unwind. Order a spritz or prosecco. It comes with tasty little plates. Not dinner, just a tease. Find a water view, slide into evening like a local. For dinner, a classic trattoria. Slow, appreciative dining. Creamy saffron risotto, pure comfort. Ossobuco, tender, melting. Ask for Lombardy wine, the perfect pairing. Good food, good wine, good company. As our day closes, I hope you feel Milan's warmth. Final tip, carry some cash. Many tiny places prefer it. Milan is contrasts, fast and modern, yet soft and welcoming. Come with open mind, comfy shoes, big appetite. So if you ever visit, skip the rush, feel the rhythm. Milan isn't just seen, it's lived. One espresso, one stroll, one aperitivo at a time. Goodbye for now. I hope to see you in my beautiful Milan soon.